Hi, I'm Gerard Wynn, and I'm the owner of PuroClean Restoration Professionals of Wilmington, North Carolina, serving all of southeastern North Carolina. You're probably here because you need restoration services due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services. You've come to the right place. Our team members are specially trained in water damage, restoration, mold remediation, and fire and smoke damage. Along with other specialties, all of our teams are thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified, and we will work with your insurance company. We're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible. We are master certified, and we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. As a part of our professional standard, we treat you like family with compassion and care. Call us at 910-793-8586 for help anytime, day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to restore and rescue your property.